What does success consist of? What is the secret of winning? Technology. Situation control. Resource planning. Attention to detail. Fighting for time. Modern production, as well as sports of the highest achievements, requires high efficiency and maximum results. Factory of steel panel radiators, Royal Thermo. The information and production infrastructure allowed the Royal Thermo plant to become a technological leader in the market of steel panel radiators. Royal Thermo steel radiators are widely used in medical, children's and social institutions, in residential construction and the commercial sector. For the production of radiators, cold rolled steel from leading metallurgical enterprises is used. The cutting of radiator parts takes place on an automatic line of longitudinal and transverse metal dissolution. Hydraulic presses create profiled half panels and convective elements. Two automated welding lines allow the production of 2,250 radiators per shift. Each radiator is tested for tightness. Preparation for painting and painting of radiators are carried out in several stages. Surface cleaning and degreasing with chemical compositions. Applying the primer layer. Application of powder paint. The modern paint line allows you to quickly change the colors for serial painting of radiators in both deep black and elegant silver colors. The coating is highly resistant and durable. Durable 3-layer cardboard and heat shrink film reliably protect the heater from mechanical damage. Royal Thermo radiators, number 1.